Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to get an unavailable song on Spotify for literally free, and this will take only a minute and you don't have to change anything. Like, you don't have to change any of your settings, any of your Windows settings or your Spotify settings. You don't need a VPN to change to like act like you changed the country to listen to the song. This is super simple and straight to the point. So let's get it. This is so simple. Like, all you need to do is just copy the song link from Spotify. Actually, I'm gonna do this song right here. Um, I'm gonna do this song right here, Galunk. So this is so simple. Just copy the song link. Yeah, copy the song link, and then just go to Spotify downloader, and then just copy the link, or just paste the link right there, and then press download, and then press download again. And then press download MP3. And yep, that's how you do it. So let's listen. Let's listen to this. Uh, yeah, let's listen. Sounds perfectly. It sounds perfect. It sounds very good. And yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Peace.